And now let's get back to plants. We just gotta get back to plants. That's what I love to talk about. I have had such an issue with, I don't even know, are they gnats? Are they fruit flies? They're those tiny little stupid jerks that are invading all of my orchids and making my life miserable. There are a couple of ways. So I have been taking action against this, and I want to show you the different ways that I have done this, but I can only show you one way because I tried. Well, so let me start with the first one. The first one is these sticky traps. And I got them on Amazon. What they do is, so both sides of this are sticky, and you peel this off, stick it in your plants, and the gnats come. And I'll show you what they look like. It's gross. So my success rate with that has been, I'd say like 8 out of 10, because it works. It works really well, but they still keep coming. Like there's some sort of cuckoo crazy infestation. So I decided I was going to take matters into my own hands and fight fire with fire and bring a carnivorous plant. I got a sundew plant, but he didn't make it. I got a sundew plant on eBay, and you know, there's plenty of food for him. I don't know if it wasn't the right amount of sunlight or the humidity, whatever. He didn't make it, so I can't show you my success rate with him, but I have the rhizomes outside in some moss. Hopefully he'll come back, and if he does, I'll do an update, but let's just pretend that this is my sundew. And sundews are carnivorous plants. They go after those tiny stupid fruit flies, and they're perfect because they have like little sticky nodes that have little hairs on them, and they trap the gnats and just eat them. And so my success rate with that is 0, just because he died, I think, or he just lost all his little arms. Stay tuned. The third method that I haven't tried because I don't want to is these homemade concoctions of like vinegar and lemon juice and salt and things like that. And there's a ton of YouTube tutorials about those, but I won't do it because I just know it'll spill in my office. I just know it will. I can't have a vinegar smell in my office. That's not, no. So if you want something clean, it's just not going to happen. But if you want something cleaner, I'd recommend these. If you have the right accommodations, I would recommend a sundew plant. And if you have a area full of fruit flies that your cat can't get to and knock over and spill all over your carpet, then I definitely recommend this recipe because everybody else seems to really love it. Again, I've never used it, so I can't say, but just FYI. So I hope that was helpful. I will talk to you guys next week.